Hello Intuitive You. Welcome back to my Intuitive Healing channel. My name is Bianca and I help people learn their intuitive language. I do this through spiritual ritual, ceremony, guided meditations, spiritual guidance, allowing to expand the vibration of energy through words, through the light codes that we receive, and being able to express that to you. So sharing whatever knowledge that I receive from my guides and my higher self and sharing that with you. It's opening and creating sacred space, an invocation to create sacred space. Creating sacred space is really important, especially when we do self-work or spiritual work. There's a lot of energy out there. So feeling safe and protected is the foundation of opening up and allowing your heart to expand out in the spiritual realm and in the physical realm. This particular invocation that I'm about to perform comes from the Eora Nation in South America, derivative of, I think, the Inca tribes. I learned it from Alberto Villoldo at the Four Winds Society. Before I even heard of Alberto, I was doing an invocation myself, bringing in different power animals. They would just appear. My ancestors give me messages through animals. Animals appear in my vision, and the qualities of the animals have a message for me or for whoever I'm speaking with. There's archetypes, the animals and the qualities are the archetypes. You can call upon them to bring forth their power and help you through any situations. And they also protect the elements and northeast, south and west. So we're going to start in the south. I always like to, when we're doing this invocation, I ask people to stand, or I invite them to stand and face the south. And by all means, if you learn the words or you want to add any other words to the invocation, for me, I have a structure and then it kind of gets filled with whatever comes to me in the moment. Sometimes people just need that extra bit of information or protection or guidance. It's also very important to close sacred space at the end. I often do this in silence, even if we're doing it in a big group, but it is of course nice to do it together. So let's get started. So I'm just going to invite you to place your hands on your heart. And just take 3 deep breaths with me. And on the exhale, just let go of the day. Let go of any thoughts. Another one. Breathe deep into your heart. Allow yourself to relax in the moment, the here and now. Taking your last deep breath in and out. Keeping your eyes closed, just feeling the energy of the words. To the winds of the south, great serpents, wrap your coils of light around us. Teach us to shed our past the way you shed your skin. Show us to walk the beauty way, with our hearts close to yours, Mother, so we may know and hear your guidance. Teach us to walk gently upon the earth and protect our medicine space, Aho. Turn to the right to face the west. To the winds of the west, rainbow jaguar, great mother puma, show us the way of peace, to live impeccably, with truth and integrity from our heart space. Protect our waters and show us the way of right relations with ourselves and with each other. Guide us across the rainbow bridge so we may walk the path of fearlessness and take this journey of life with courage in our hearts. Aho. Turn to the right to face the north. To the winds of the north, graceful hummingbird, lend us your endurance as we journey through life. Show us how to drink from the sweet nectars and teach us to be still mid-flight amongst the chaos. Grandmother, grandfather, ancestors and ancient ones, come and warm your hands by our fires. Whisper words of wisdom to us in the winds. We honor you and thank you for all the wisdom you impart upon us, for going and enduring through the things and experiences so we may know truth. We honor you, we thank you, dear children, those who will come after, our children, their children, and our children's children. May we nurture you to grow and fulfill your life's path. Aho. Turn to the right, to face the east, land of the rising sun. To the winds of the east, great eagle, great condor, come to us. Keep us safe under your wings and show us the mountains we only dare to dream of. Lend us your perspective to show us the greater plan so we may raise in consciousness and see with the eyes of love. Teach us how to fly gracefully, wing to wing with great spirit. May you live in our hearts. Aho. Go down to the floor. Face Mother Earth. Put your hands, an extension of your heart chakra, onto her body. May she feel you, your heartbeat, your love for her, your gratitude. Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, Pachu Mama, we thank you for your bountiful beauty. We thank you for being our reflection of our internal worlds, externalizing them so we may know the path to walk. We gather here today for the healing and the celebration of all your children, for the stone people, the plant people, for the two-legged, the four-legged, the creepy crawlers, for the fin, the furred, and the feathered, for all our relations. Aho. And as you stand to face the sky, Father Sky, Inti Sun, Grandmother Moon, and Star Nation beings. Father, you who are known by 1,000 names, you who are the unnameable one, you who live in my heart, in my body, in my soul, we thank you. We thank you for your light, for illuminating our path. We thank you for allowing us to dance another dance and sing our soul songs upon the earth. Star brother and sister nations, we thank you for your guidance from all those many years ago, that you bring forth the energies today so we may know how to navigate this world. Aho. Placing your hands on your heart, breathing in deep into your body. Earth, my body, water, my blood, air, my breath, and fire, my spirit. I am the I am presence. Aho. So thank you so much. That's a way of creating, invocating, opening sacred space. It's a really good idea to do this if you want to change the energy in your home, to create a peaceful atmosphere or a protective atmosphere. I do it before I meditate. I do it before I have any clients or open workshops or events. It really helps me come to a place of balance and groundedness, and I feel the presence of my ancestors and the wisdom that's held within these archetypes. You can also bring those energies of the serpent into your first base energy center, your root chakra, and bring in the rainbow jaguar or the mother puma into your sacral, that fearless energy that knows no fear. You can bring the graceful hummingbird into your solar plexus, and of course the eagle, the great eagle and the condor into your heart space. And they will really help empower those energy centers so that you can move forward in a balanced perception, in alignment with your truth. And please remember that your truth doesn't mean that it's my truth. We all have different truths, and we're all here to have our unique imprint upon the earth. So if this resonates, feel free to play this video again and again so you learn the words. Otherwise, you're more than welcome to play this every time you want to open and create sacred space. And then when you want to close at the end of any session or meditation, you can thank the archetypes in that order, and thank Mother Earth and Father Sky and yourself for being present in the moment. And you can send them back to their directions to be the guardians in those places. From my heart to yours, the light I see in you is the light I see in me. We are one radiant light. Aho.